Welcome to Fenghuang, one of the most famous old towns in China. It was built in 1704 and has preserved ancient architecture that reflects its rich history spanning over 3 centuries. Fenghuang is located in the southwestern part of Hunan province, nestled within a mountainous region where the natural flow of the Tuojiang River seamlessly integrates with the city's layout. The town is named after the mythical phoenix, and a statue of this legendary bird can be found in one of the squares in front of the ancient East Gate. When you arrive here, you feel like you've been teleported back in time. This place preserves unique customs, art, ethnic languages, and many distinctive monuments in the Ming and Qing styles. Picturesque bridges and paved streets, where the local Miao people walk in national dresses. Nothing here reminds you of the modern world and the technological progress. There are no roads for cars in the old city. You can travel only on foot or by boat along the river and stay here in one of the many small hotels accounted for any budget. There are picturesque pedestrian paths along the river. They are surrounded by traditional buildings, ancient bridges, and houses of stilts. The landscape changes during the day. In the morning, the city is washed and bright, while in the evening, it lights up with thousands of lights that are multiplied by their reflection in the river. In front of us is the Fenghuang Wanming Pagoda. The pagoda was built in 1585 in the Ming Dynasty, and although it underwent an overhaul in 1691 in the Qing Dynasty, it retained its original structure, style, and the ornamental designs on its main body. Its name means the Tower of 10,000 Names. It is 21 meters high, and the facade is decorated with paintings and sculptures. As darkness falls, tourists stroll along the narrow streets, taking photos dressed in traditional costumes and in the setting of a real ancient city that reminds an old Chinese fairy tale. Fenghuang cuisine is unusual and attractive. Locals catch small shrimp from the river and bake delicious shrimp cakes. You should also try crab meat in dough strung on a stick. Fenghuang has preserved its original appearance and layout of the 16th to 18th centuries. It was untouched by modernization, wars, and natural disasters. After a long stroll through the city streets, tourists can relax in an antique stylized Wu-Peng boat. Listen to the boatman's folk song and enjoy the ancient architecture of the city on both sides of the Tuojiang River from the water. The double-deck pagoda-style bridge is one of the city's most striking landmarks. sounds of the watermills remind us of the past, as everything else in this amazing city. More than half of the city's population belongs to the Miao or Tuojiang minorities. This is what their traditional attire looks like. Silver jewelry has been a Miao craft for centuries, and it was believed that absolutely every woman should wear it. But if earlier it was a symbol of wealth, nowadays it is a tribute to their history. The ancient town of Fenghuang was added to the UNESCO World Heritage List in 2008. Fenghuang is beautiful both in the daylight and in the evening. But what's really popular is the night show on the water. It is dedicated to the girl Cui, the granddaughter of a ferryman. The female lead of the famous work by Shen Kongguan, Border Town. This is what the Rainbow Bridge looks like from the water, with stunning lighting and artificial fog. In the evening, Fenghuang is filled with beautiful lights, and all the objects are literally transformed. Well, we have to say goodbye to the Phoenix City. Until we meet again.